Hi, thanks for watching. I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to track your pages, okay? Track your capture pages in the Viral Team Builder. So you're promoting your links out there on the internet, you're getting traffic sent to your links. This is really the only work you need to do, is just simply getting eyeballs onto your capture pages. You don't need to worry about specific things, just simply send traffic to your capture pages. Because the good thing is that we have all the tools already loaded into the Viral Team Builder. Everything's all in one place. Under one roof. You've got it here. We've got the tracking, and we've got the page statistics. We've got everything you need here. So just focus on getting eyeballs onto your pages and let the system do the work. So we got a nice little page statistics thing here. Okay, and it's I'm gonna show you how to track the lead. How to track the traffic that comes in from different sources. You know. It doesn't matter what source you use. You can, some of you probably use Facebook, YouTube, traffic exchanges, solo ads, you name it. It could be absolutely anything. Any traffic that comes in is all potentially good traffic, but you want to know what is performing the best, okay? So you can spend more time and apply yourself and scale up on the traffic sources that are serving you the best, okay? So if you actually get to know what serves you best, then you can scale up on that traffic, and you can kind of like do without the traffic that's not really serving you. You might learn that certain traffic sources are actually junk traffic, and it doesn't serve you at all, so you can just stop wasting your time on traffic that doesn't serve you and spend more time on the traffic that is serving you better. So I'm going to teach you how to track everything. It's very, 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 very powerful indeed. So we've got all our pages here, and we've got a lot of pages, and it's always a good idea just to blast your links with traffic. Just get eyeballs. Just focus on getting eyeballs onto your pages. And then now I'm gonna teach you how to track it. So go to page statistics right on the left menu here. Page statistics. I'm going to open this up into a new tab. And when you come to this page, go to this drop-down box here and click tracking. Okay, go to the tracking tab, and I've already got a whole bunch of stuff all set up here, but in your case you probably only see this one label here called no tracking, and all your hits are coming in on that one label. But I've set up custom tracking labels here, and I'm going to teach you how to set that up so you can find out where it all comes from. This is a demo account, by the way. This is not my account. This is just a demo account. I just literally set this up about 10 minutes ago. So let me show you how it all works. So let me pick a page. I'm going to pick a page. I like this one, so I'm going to pick this one. So as you see, right at the end of the URL here, okay, and you've got your user ID right here, okay, and after your user ID, the Viral Team Builder user ID, you just put in a tracking code. Okay, so you just start off with the ampersand, okay, and then you type in campaign. Well, I'm just gonna make it easier for myself. Okay. So what you do after your username, put in the ampersand there, the and sign, and then you type campaign, okay, and then the equal sign, okay. And after the equal sign, anything you put in after the equal sign is your personal label. Okay, it doesn't need to mean anything to anyone else other than you. It's totally your label. You can set this up at runtime. You don't need to pre-set it up. You don't need to register any of these labels. First of all, you just set it up at runtime. You can just type anything randomly, just something that means something to you. Like if you're working with I don't know, if you're doing a I don't know, a Facebook post, okay, or a YouTube video, or if you're doing a solo ad, okay. If I do, okay, solo ad 1, 2, 3, I don't know, anything random. I'm just literally doing something totally random there. But if it means something to me, and I know what ad I've just sent out, and I paid some money for it, I want to know exactly how it's tracking, how it's converting, if I'm getting leads from it. If I am getting leads from it, are there any of those leads opting in on my mailing list? Okay, so I'm just going to copy that entire URL, and then that's the URL that I would put out there in my solo ad. so the whole thing will be tracked. Okay, very, very powerful indeed. So let's pretend that I am one surfer, and I'm just gonna refresh this page. Okay, so I've now visited this page using this URL. Okay, and if I go back to my tracking and I refresh this, there it is, solo ad 1, 2, 3, random. And as you can see, it's got one unique hit, one total hit. That's because I'm just one user visiting that page, and there's only ever been one user. And if I visit that page again, it'll probably send that up to 2. So let's have a look. Let me just visit that page again. So that's the second time I visited that page. So it's gone up to 2 because only one unique user has visited that page twice. Okay, but I haven't opted in yet. Okay, so there's no conversion. Okay, this is the conversion. This is how well it converts this particular page. You can actually label it as specifically that page. Okay, this is a My Paying Ads page, and you can actually put in a label like MPA or something, just so you're labeling it as that page. So everything, exactly where the traffic is coming from. The solo ad, you could put in a label for that particular page, so it's that page that you used versus another page or whatever. You can do everything as detailed as you want. It's totally up to you. Let me then go through and opt in on that page, and just see, because right now on the tracking nobody has opted in. So I'm going to show you what happens if I opt in. So I'm going to grab a random email address. Okay, just going to paste that in there. So I'm going to opt in, and it takes me to the next landing page. So there it is. Obviously it's going through my funnel successfully, and so let's go back to the tracking, and if I refresh this, where is it? Oh, there's the solo ad. Okay, and one opt-in. It's 100% because one unique user opted in, and it was 100%. Okay, 100% of this traffic here opted in. Okay, so we know how that works. And then of course you can go into the view leads, and you can view further information. For example, well, let me just go through into the view leads. This was the one that opted in. Go to here, actions, and I'm going to go to view, and I can see that I opted in. This user, this lead, opted in on this particular capture page, and the tracking campaign was this. Okay, I didn't open any emails up yet. Hold on a minute, let me just. So this was the email that came in. Okay, so I'm going to look at this email here. Okay, so I just looked at the email. So let me refresh that. I just get another. Hold on in this one. That grey star appears because I read the email. That's what that means. I read the email. Okay, the score is it sort of depends on how active I am. It'll get a point for various actions like reading an email or whatever. And then when I get converted, I'll be added to this particular tab if I decide to join. Okay. The other great thing is that you're going to get alerted as well. So if they join, you'll get alerted. Okay, because in the email it'll actually say solo ad campaign. That's where they came in on. So it means that you'll be alerted by email as well. So very powerful indeed. So let me, if I click on a link, let's see what happens. So if I go back to the, okay, so I'm going to click on this link. Go back to this page. Here. So I can then join my, then let me just refresh this as well. Okay, well, maybe it takes time to load, but anyway, you don't need to worry too much about it. But anyway, my score has gone up. So this lead is becoming a hot lead. So the score is increasing. It was 2 before, it's now increased. Not sure why it still has grey there, but you know. Anyway, the point is that if it's grey, it means they read an email. If it's white, it means they clicked on a link inside the email, but it's not saying white yet. Maybe it takes time, I'm not sure, but or maybe it's not working properly. But anyway, if I go to My Paying Ads tab, that's that my lead, because I came in on that page, on that capture page of the My Paying Ads capture page. That's why I'm in that tab. So yeah, everything is really powerful, and you can track everything. There's a lot you can do, and you can work with your leads a lot better if you're really tracking, you know where they came from, and you can work with the better platforms you're working with. So in order to scale up the lead sources that are working better for you, and just not worry about and not waste your time with lead sources that don't serve you at all. So anyway, that's a powerful tutorial there. Shows you how to track your links. So use that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye for now.